Oh!
Welcome.
Hello, Fairfax County Public Schools. It's another day in schools. Today we're at Graham Road Elementary with Lauren Badini, who is a new principal.
Yeah.
It's your first year here in Fairfax County Public Schools as a principal.
Yeah.
And so many exciting things. Really exciting to go in and see the power of Portrait of a Graduate taking place in our classrooms.
Hello, Dr. B.
Woo! What are we doing in here? Are we doing math?
We're making our self-portraits.
You're doing a self-portrait.
And we're doing our hats too.
What got you to be a teacher?
I was always interested in art. I had awesome teachers throughout middle and high school. And
Here in Fairfax
in
County?
Fairfax, I went to Key Middle School in Springfield.
Wow.
Graduated from Lee High School.
So you're really a back to Fairfax employee?
Yes, I was actually gonna pursue something in the arts in college, but it was my high school teacher who kind of pulled me back into
Wow.
being the art teacher. So
Wow, and 10 years here at Graham Road
absolutely
Elementary.
love it.
Wow, well you're making a huge difference. I
I
can't
hope
wait
I
to
am.
watch your classroom in action.
I can't wait for you to participate.
Wow, fantastic.
Do you have a hat?
Yes, I do.
Or maybe floppy brimmed and blue when summer sun shines down. Do you have a hat?
Yes, I do.
He was a famous artist, and back in the days when they did not have electricity, and he wanted to paint, he wanted to do what he loved, but it was so dark, so what did he do to his hat? Put the candles on it. Do you have a hat?
Yes, I do.
To go back and make your hat?
Yeah.
All right, boys and girls, walk back, get your pencil, and you may draw. You have the academics, which is very much important. It is the backbone, but a lot of times it is a formula. So when they come in here, and we do a lot of literacy too, they're writing, they're figuring out all these problems, but when you're trying to do critical thinking, and when you've been trained to fit a certain answer sheet or a formula or a certain method, when they come in, my job is to not completely disperse that, but guide them to a place in the environment where everything is welcomed.
You know, we talk about Portrait of a Graduate attributes. You're building creativity and critical thinking into the art curriculum here at Graham Road Elementary.
Something that I really wanted to highlight to you in your visit and for everybody is how powerful relationships can be with students. It's embedded within the culture here at Graham Road. And I wanted to show our art room, and I think it's important to see some of the things that students can do when they know that we care about them, and they know that we support them, and they know that they're in a school that belongs to them.
Right. You know, when you talked about the power of relationships, this was also a great example of showing the power of really having a premier workforce. Mr. Lee's an outstanding art teacher, and he's also bringing in a perspective, a story, his own narrative, and we're still working very hard to try to bring more minority teachers here to Fairfax County. And in his case, bring them back to Fairfax County.
It's incredible. I mean, you see the artwork that they create here at the school, and it's just a good visual representation of what students can do when they know that we support them. They take risks, they persevere through challenges
Right.
because they know we care about them.
Right.
We're going to give them every opportunity to succeed.